Okay, what we're looking at here is a latest version of a Joe cell, and it's only been on for a short time, about 30 minutes. You can see the extremely interesting pattern of bubbles that have formed on it, which is one of the characteristics of stage 3 water. The Joe cell is without the cap on it, so that will attach, and then I'm going to use either aluminum or brake line to connect to the engine, and it'll just connect to this fitting right here. So I guess what we'll do is turn this off and see how long these bubbles hold up. That's another factor to see if it maintains stage 3 water for more than a little while. It should be at least 24 hours. I've had it go for 3 weeks and the bubbles have still been there, so hopefully this cell will work just as well. I am making these cells and I think they're a really cool design. They can be applied for health reasons and also for possibly experimenting to see if Orgone energy will power an engine. So make no promises that it'll work, but I'm going to put it on a BMW with an aluminum block engine, which is important. That's aluminum seems to absorb Orgone energy and almost act like a reservoir to store the Orgone energy. That's my theory, but it was borne out, and my theory really arose from Mr. Booker himself, Joe himself, who found that after he took the Joe cell off the car, it still ran on Orgone energy. And of course the theory is that the Orgone permeated or penetrated into the block of the engine and remains there for a period of time without being renewed, maybe almost like a battery storage. So he has had that experience, and we will find out if that's the case. So this is Dave D, and thanks for watching.